Monochromatic makeup. Monochromatic makeup? Monochromatic makeup. Well, it simply means using one color for your eyes, cheeks, and lips. And to even make it more simple, you can just use one product for everything. One product that we're going to use is the Sunnies Face Fluffmatte lipstick. And according to the website, it is a weightless modern matte lipstick formulated with silk structure technology. Ooh, I did not know that. In order to give you that second skin feel. Now, in my opinion, this is probably one of the best products that you could use in order to achieve that monochromatic makeup. You can either get a full intense color payoff with just one swipe of this on your lips, or you could do the blur effect using your fingers in order to put color on your cheeks and on your eyelids. Now the formula is really magical because it is lightweight. The finish is very matte, so you can never go oily with this, and it won't move around your cheeks or on your eyelids. So let's begin. I already have a full face of makeup on, and we are going to start with the eyes. And the shade that we are using today is called Baked. Now Baked is that beautiful terracotta peach color that I love during an everyday basis. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my fingers, my ring finger, and get the product directly from the bullet. I'm going to focus the product first on the eyelids and then blur it upwards towards the brow bone. And just get the shape that you want. On an everyday basis, I just want it to be very light and very blurred. And with just one swipe on the product, you just get the payoff that you want, that very natural terracotta beachy summer look. I want to extend it a little bit on the corners of the bottom eyelash, so we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna get a little product and just focus it there. For the cheeks, you really want it to be very airbrush. So what I suggest is you should get a makeup palette if you do have one. But since I don't have one here, we are just going to use the back of our hands. So what we're going to do is to place the product on the back of our hand. Get a little product in there. And then we're going to use our fingers again and just get the product and just pat that product on your finger and let that warm the product so it could melt onto your skin. What you do is you just smile and just find the apples of your cheeks and spread the product there. And this will really make it look like it's airbrush and very natural on your skin. And just do it over again until you get the payoff that you want. And then if you went a little bit overboard with the cheeks, you could go with like a beauty blender or like a brush that you use for your foundation in order to like make sure everything is blended into the skin, your bronzer is blended with it. You could also use the tip of the beauty blender for the eyelids if you want it to be more blended as well. We are done with the eyes and cheeks, and it looks like I've been to the beach and not stuck at home all this time. And so I just really love that color. It just really gave us a flush of warmth on the cheeks and on the eyes. So we're just going to finish the eyes. We're going to put mascara in it. Sometimes I do poke my eyes with the wand, so I need to do this with like the utmost concentration. To finish the face with my favorite product, which is a highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick in the color Nude, and I really love this. It's very intense, but still looks very natural. We're just going to use our fingers again to like apply the product on the highest points of our cheeks, the brow bone, and the nose bridge. Now I am going to show you guys how intense it is with one swipe and how it is such a versatile product. Like with this lipstick, you don't have to go like over and over again just to get the color payoff that you want. Just one swipe gives you the color that it promises, which is a terracotta peach. Could finish the look here with like everything matte and just very natural, but like if you want to go the extra mile, which is to make it more elevated and just like more eye-catching, you could use a gloss on the lips because it is summer, and I think when it's summer we just really love to play with glosses, and it just really makes us look like very hydrated even though it's very hot. So we're gonna finish this with the gloss. We are going to use the Glossier, well, their famous lip gloss, and I just love this because it is not sticky. Like when you purse your lips together, it doesn't get stuck together like glue, unlike like other lip glosses. So highly recommend this product. Just gonna apply that on our lips. Yeah, that is it. That is my take on the monochromatic look, and I just really love it because it's very me, because Bake is such a good terracotta peach color, and it just really completes that hot summer 2020 look that we all want and miss. And yeah, I just hope you guys really love this video. Just really want you guys to know that makeup is supposed to be fun and should not be pressuring, and you should do what you know, and you know, just learn along the way. And yeah, that is all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.